we have entered the lab. First, what are algorithms? Algorithm is a process or the set of tools given to the computer to give the output. We have come into the lab. Challenge. This tag is special one. Can you figure out how to draw the outline? The long side is 150 pixels and each of the short sides are 75 pixels. That means this side is 150 pixels and this side is the 75 pixels. First, move forward by 150 pixels. Let us see what's happening next. Okay, it finished the first line. Now it's a turn right. Turn right by 45 degrees. There is a video to view about the degrees. I will send the video link in the description box. And I think you will be thinking, where will we find this link? I am giving it in the description box and then in the comment section. You can view it from there. After that, we have finished it. Then move forward by 75 pixels, which will cover this part. Let us run it. Now it finished this one. Now again turn right by 90 pixels. After that, move forward for 75 pixels. We can run it. Now turn right by 45 pixels. Let us see what's happening now. We have to again do the same thing for this. To do that, we have a repeat block here. Keep the repeat block here and keep the code inside it and give it to 2. Let's see what's happening now. It's working. Let us go to the second challenge. This is our second challenge. The challenge is finish this kite. I have clicked this button and it is asking, do you want a hint? I am giving yes. It's asking, this diameter is really just a square on its side. So it means it's a square. So it's easy to complete, right? Yeah. Move forward by 100 pixels. 100 pixels is default. So even here it will be default. Let us run it. It's 100 pixels, right? Then turn left by 90 degrees. We should again repeat it 4 times. So there is no repeat block here. We can repeat it again. Move forward, turn left by 90. Move forward, turn left by 90. Move forward by 100 pixels and turn left by 90 degrees. I think it will work now. Yes, we finished it. Let us go to the next challenge. The challenge is, hi, I am an artist. You can write code to make me draw almost anything. Play with block in the toolbox to see what they do. I want to draw my name's first letter, K. So what I am doing, jump backward by 100 pixels. Now it's here, right? Then turn left by 90, jump forward by 100. Let us see where it is. It's here now. Turn right by 90. Yeah, You can draw your favorite letter. I will draw the letter K. Again turn right by 90. Move forward by 100 pixels. I'll copy it again and move backward by 50 pixels. Let us see what happens now. I think it should be 500. Let us see what happens. Wow, it's so big. I'll do 300. Is also very big. I think we should only give 200 and half of it 100. I think it's fine now. After that, turn left by 90, turn left by 120 degrees and then move forward by 100 pixels. Again, move backward for 100 pixels. I can draw it 180. It's not drawing well, I'll give 120 only. And turn right by 120 again and then move forward by 100 pixels. Let us see what's happening now. No, it is not working. I'll give 90 here and check. It's working. Let us go to the next challenge. Now, the jump block moves the artist without drawing. Draw the dashed line using both the jump forward and move forward blocks. Each line is 50 pixels. Move forward by 50 pixels. Jump forward by 50 pixels. Move forward by 50 pixels. Jump forward by 50 pixels. It drew the first one. It should also draw these two, right? So turn right by 90 and then move forward by 50 pixels, jump forward by 50 pixels, again move forward by 50 pixels and jump forward by 50 pixels. It's wrong. It should be the left side. I'm sure it will work now. We finished it. That's it for today, friends. Let us meet in the next video. Bye.